motocross race lap right here next to the paddock. And for that I'm going to put on a new rear tire and I will show you how to do it. So now 6 minutes left, ready to prepare everything. Get the tools out. I start with cleaning the rim a bit. Just like that, it's okay. Everything we can do outside here saves us time. Just get it loosened up already. Push back the brake pads. Ooh, pretty warm that feels. 2 minutes left. Just do some cleaning. Do. Because this bike looks so beautiful. Okay, ready to go. 1 minute left. Thank you. So now our 15 minutes started. We're in the paddock now. There should be our mechanics waiting. Hola! Sagst du mal Hallo?
Hi.
So, rear wheel is out. Everything is prepared for us. Rim lock is loosened. I start next to the rim lock. Put in 4 levers. Push them over just to get the first side. Whoopsie! Turn it around. There it is. While he's changing the moves from the first tire to the new one, I can pull out the air filter cage. Because when I pulled it out, he's allowed to change the air filter on the cage and I need to put it back in. And we can already do some cleaning. Tires ready. Start with the rim lock. Push it in there. Bogen ein bisschen. Ja. So. That was the first side. And now we just walk our way around and then we're good to go. We're done. Retighten the rim lock. Good. So, tire change done in 6.5 minutes. The mechanics are allowed to do the refueling of just normal fuel and also the two-stroke oil. Everything else we need to do ourselves. Yep, it's on. Now some cleaning of the chain. And some chain loop. And then we have plenty of time to wash the bike to look good tomorrow. Maybe just split the forks. Yeah, was worth it. Gut. Putzen wir halt noch ein wenig. Ah ja, siehst du. Because style is everything. Here we can see our time. When I come in, it started, and then it runs down from 50 minutes, so we still got 5 minutes left. We good? Everything ready and prepared for day 6? Okay. That was it. 50 minutes and you need to be ready to go. Today we only changed the rear tire, but every second day we change front and rear, so that we need to hurry up a bit more. This time we had plenty of time left. But if you do both tires, it's yeah, there's no room for mistakes.
Hi, thanks.
That's it. Isn't she looking beautiful? Wow. A little bit dirty, but crazy good bike. I'm kind of sad that it's over now. Just like half an hour of racing left for tomorrow. I could do another week on this, or a month.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. At the end of the park for me, they check for the markings of the front rim, the rear rim, the engine, and also the frame. They all have stickers on it with the same number, so you can't change a wheel. You can change the tire, but you can't change the wheel. Also the exhaust is marked because of the noise. You need to do a noise check before the race. And yeah, these parts you can't destroy. We have followed. So every bike or every rider has his own spot, and this is mine. See you tomorrow.